here we are, 25th of August, still carrying on with Zulu. We've got probably about another day's worth of wheat harvesting left, so we're starting to get the wheat crop in the corner. We've probably harvested somewhere in the region of 3,000 tonnes of wheat so far, and today we finally had the first few loads down under the magic 15%, which is it's quite an achievement. There aren't many years that we have to dry virtually everything. We've probably got about 30 hectares to go, which we will hopefully get wrapped up by tomorrow. But I just wanted to just do a little video clip here just to demonstrate a little bit the MacDon header, the flex draper bit. I don't know whether you can really see it, but there's like a little finger that you can just see, a little arrow marker there. That's in the up position, indicating that half of the, or that third of the flex draper is lifting up. And that one there just in front of those two pins is also up as well, so it's kind of doing its smiley face thing at the moment. We've got a little bit of laid crop here, so we'll just go down. That's that little white bar in the middle, A to D, A to D. So we'll just bring it back a little bit and just lift that knife off the ground. And this is really one of the reasons why we bought this header. Just have a look at the stump there, so that we can actually contour follow the fields that we've got here. As you can see, we're just rising up a bit of a higher bit here, and actually the way this header just hugs the ground across these sort of rolling banks is absolutely fantastic. So yeah, that's where we are. We're getting towards the end of harvest now. Which is good news, really. Yeah, very pleased with the progress. Really now, since we've had a few reasonable days of weather, it doesn't actually take long if we can get a reasonable string of good weather actually together. Yields have been a little bit disappointing up here on the hill, especially this block. This is after peas, pushing a little stone along there. There it is. Which is it's a little bit disappointing. They're hand-picked peas, so they're not in the ground for a terrifically long period of time. We did hold back a little bit of nitrogen because they were quite forward coming out of the winter. I think that coupled with a very dry spring meant that they probably starved a little bit, and the number of heads is probably a little bit lower than we would be expecting to try and get up here. But we can just feel it rocking over the stones there, bouncing on these big springs here. So that's where we are. So tune back in tomorrow and catch up with progress, see how we're getting on.